Hi, welcome to the full stack development with Angular 8 and Spring Boot. So far in our development process, we have completed the step 1, step 2 and step 3. And in this video, we're going to concentrate on the step 4, which is modifying the book category component to get the category data. So let's begin. Let's jump into the Visual Studio Code. Let's open the book category.component.ts file. Let me expand the window. So at the top, I'm going to define a field to hold the categories data, book categories, which is of type book category, and it's an array. And in the down, I'm going to define a method. I'm going to call this list book categories. And we need the book service object. So I'm going to inject the book service object to the constructor. Private, I'm going to call this underscore book service, which is of type book service. So now using this book service object, we're going to call the service method, this dot book service dot get categories, get book categories. And we know that we have to subscribe to this method dot subscribe, and to this subscribe method, the parameter will be an arrow function. So I'm going to call the parameter name as data. So let's actually print this data in the console and see what do we get. Console.log book categories, comma data. Let's save this, and if you take a look at the browser, and alright, we have to call the list book categories method inside the ng on init. Let's save this, and now if you take a look at the browser, and in the console we should expect the categories list. Let's open the developer console. Look at this, we are getting the same error which we have faced in the feature 1, and we know that how to solve this error. So in the next video, we're going to solve this error, and that is coming up in the next video. I will see you in the next video.